Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, on behalf of National Assessment Accreditation Council, on behalf of the organizers, I would like to welcome each one of you for this very important session. Basically, this is a plenary session. There are four plenary speakers, panel speakers, and there's a chair. Now, I don't want to take much of your time. Just I would like to give brief introduction about our honorable panel members and the chair. Just I may take just 1 or 2 minutes. To begin, I take this opportunity to introduce all our panel members and the chair. First of all, I would like to introduce Professor R.P. Kaushik, who is going to chair the panel session. He is the former ambassador for Turkmenistan and also former University Grants Commission's member and former professor from Jawaharlal Nehru University. Anyway, he has worked in different capacities in different institutions of higher education. Anyway, I don't want to take much of your time. Now I request Professor R.P. Kaushik to come on the dais, please. And our first panel speaker is Professor H.A. Ranganath. He is the President Director of National Assessment Accreditation Council, and also he is the former Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. He is a known researcher, known scientist in the country. He also worked in different capacities in different institutions. And the second speaker is Professor Farkan Kamar. He is the Vice Chancellor of Central University of Himachal Pradesh. And also he also worked in Planning Commission and also worked in different capacities in different higher education institutions. And the next speaker is Professor Bharat Chettu. He is the former Vice Chancellor of Sri Mata Vaishnavi Devi University from Jammu. But right now he is working with the university in Gujarat. The next speaker is Professor S. Ramesh Babu. He is the Associate Vice President of Education and Research from Infosys, the well-known company from Bangalore. And apart from that, there are other internal internal NAC officers also. One is myself, I am Dr. Shyam Sundar, I am a Deputy Advisor from NAC, and Mr. Jagannath Patil, then Dr. Madhukar. We are the 3 people who are going to speak after the completion of this particular panel session. Maybe I think during the interaction session, we will also chip in and we'll give additional inputs. Now I request Professor Kaushik to take over. Thank you very much.